The Australian cockroach, Paraplaneta australasia, is a species native to Australia and some other parts of the world, including tropical and subtropical regions. This species is known for its size and coloration, and it prefers to live outdoors, unlike its more well-known relatives like the German cockroach, which is commonly found in homes. Female Australian cockroaches lay eggs in oothecae, each containing up to 30 eggs. These oothecae are usually hidden in sheltered places such as cracks in trees or under rocks and can be quite durable. Nymphs hatch from the eggs, resembling small adult cockroaches but without wings. They grow quickly and molt several times, eventually becoming similar to adult cockroaches. Australian cockroaches are fairly large and can reach lengths of 3 to 4 centimeters. They have a distinctive brown color with yellow or orange stripes on the pronotum, the front part of the thorax, which distinguishes them from other species. These cockroaches are typically active at night, hiding during the day in dark, damp places. The diet of the Australian cockroach includes various organic materials such as plants, decaying vegetation, and even wood. They play an important role in ecosystems by helping to decompose plant matter and recycle organic material, contributing to the maintenance of balance in nature. Although Australian cockroaches can enter homes and buildings, they prefer to remain outdoors where the conditions are more suitable for their existence. They can be found in gardens, parks, and moist forests, where food sources and shelter are available. Unlike some other cockroach species, the Australian cockroach is not a direct vector of diseases, although all cockroaches can carry various bacteria due to crawling on dirty surfaces. These cockroaches are an important part of the ecosystem as their activity helps break down organic materials. However, for humans, Australian cockroaches usually do not pose a significant threat unless they invade the home in large numbers.